In this video tutorial, I will show you 3 basic Photoshop tutorial for beginners. Let's start the video. 1. How to remove or change background in Photoshop. Firstly, unlock the layer. Go to Select menu and choose Select and Mask. Now select the subject. Go to Refine mode and select Object Aware. Now refine the hair. Go to the Global Refinements tab. Increase smoothness to 32 for smooth edges. Increase feather to 4.4 for blur edges. Increase contrast to 19% and also increase shift edges to +7. Now select Output to Layer Mask and then OK. Go to the Adjustment panel and select Solid Color. Change the color as you want. That's it. 2. How to text behind in Photoshop. Let's start. Firstly, go to Subject menu and select Subject. Press Ctrl+J for copy selected area. Now go to Text tool and write any text. Press Ctrl+T font transform and adjust the size and position of text. Now right-click on text and choose Skew. Adjust like this. Align into center. Now duplicate the text layer. Drag down one text layer. Select Cop layer and go to the blending options. Fill opacity is 0. Add stroke and follow these settings. 3. How to create clipping mask in Photoshop. Let's start. Firstly, place the icon image. Images link in the description. Align into the center. Now place the image. Decrease the image opacity and adjust the size and position of image. Increase the layer opacity. Now right-click on layer and create clipping mask. Try one more time. Place second icon image. Image link in the description. Adjust the position like this. Place the image over here. Now decrease the opacity of image and adjust the size and position like this. Increase layer opacity to 100. Now right-click on layer and create clipping mask. That's it. I hope this video is very helpful for beginners. Subscribe for more amazing videos. I hope this video will very helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.